Hi guys, you're on Illumination channel. Today I'll tell you how to play Black Maria. Black Maria, also known as Black Mary, is a point-and-click card game that is very similar to the card game Hearts. So if you're able to play Hearts, then it is easy for you to understand Black Maria. The game is using a deck of 51 cards from 2s to aces, without jokers and two of clubs. Because without this card, each player will get an equal amount of cards. So yeah, the priority of cards is the classic 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. 3 is lowest card in clubs because 2 of clubs is not used in this game. The amount of players is always 3, and the objective is getting the lowest amount of points in a game of multiple rounds. Deal. The dealer is giving every card from the deck with one card at a time. Each player is getting 17 cards. That's all I can say about the deal. Alright, and then the deal ends and the card pass begins. So players are placing their 3, usually the most usual cards, with 3 cards of opponents. But player player can replace their cards with only the rightmost player. After the replacement of every card, the card pass ends and the gameplay begins. The leftmost player sitting near the dealer is the first player putting a card. Each opponent must follow the suit. If they are not having the suit, they must put any card of their choice. The owner of the highest card in the suit gets the trick and starts the next one. And the gameplay goes until each player losing every card. Then the point counting begins. Each card of hearts, which is cards like this, are are giving 1 point. Any of them. The ace of spades is giving 7 points. King of spades is giving 10 points. Sorry for that. Sorry for stuttering. And queen of spades is giving 13 points. Any other card is giving 0 points, which means that means hearts are giving the lowest amount of points and queen of spades is giving the highest amount. So players are getting those points in their tricks, and they can get 0 points if their tricks are not containing those cards. So after counting or writing each point, the the round ends with point counting and the next one begins. The game goes until a certain amount of rounds, usually 9. And the owner of the lowest amount of points in the last round wins the game. Each opponent's top player loses the game. So yeah, I told you everything about this game. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video. I hope you now know how to play Black Maria, also known as Black Mary. And since I have nothing else to say, I'm ending this video right now. So goodbye, everyone.